Hi everyone, welcome to TurboSite channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use a YouTube URL with the TBS8510 Pro. First, open Google Chrome and install the Get cookies.txt add-on. Next, go to the YouTube page of the video or stream you want to capture. Use the add-on to export the cookies from YouTube. Log into the TBS8510 Pro web interface. Go to the system page. Import the cookies file to the external modules. Then go to the live streams page and paste the YouTube URL into the TS acquisition. Finally, go to the commit page and restart the engine. Seconds later, your TBS8510 Pro will pull the stream directly from YouTube. That's it. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.